Welcome to EDU World Space.
Okay, in this question a situation is given like this. Okay, this is the floor at which a mass is given m. Okay, and that is attached with the spring is further fixed. Okay, and right side is again there is a spring and that is fixed. Okay, so the left side the spring constant is k1 and the right side the spring constant is k2. Understand? And now what happens, the block is displaced towards right through a distance x. Okay, so when its end is released. Okay, so when there is a displacement of x here, then there is a displacement of x also in the left hand side. Okay, when the mass move right side. So we have to find out the block as it passes through the mean position shown. Okay, so it will go first of all there, and now when we release this will go again to the left hand side. Okay, so let's suppose at the mean position the velocity is v. Okay, let's suppose velocity is v. So the total energy, we can apply the law of conservation of energy. Okay, so the total energy at mean point, okay, that will be the kinetic energy initially. Okay, not initially, after the stretching, that is half mv square. Okay, half mv square, and that is equals to the energy due to the spring in the first and the second. Okay, so in the first portion that will be half kx square, so half k1 x square, and in the second portion that is again 1 by 2 k1 k2 x square. Okay, so stretching is the same in the first and second portion. Okay, x and x. So from here we can find out the velocity v. Okay, first of all we will eliminate this 1 by 2 in both sides of the equation, and mv square, that is equals to k1 plus k2 x square. Understand? So now v square, it will be k1 plus k2 divided by m multiplied by x square. Okay, so now we will do the square root. So v will be square root of x square, that is x, and square root of k1 plus k2 divided by m, that can be written as square root of k1 plus k2 divided by m. This will be the final answer of this question. Okay, thank you. If the k1 and k2 are equal, then it will be square root of 2k by m. Okay, this will be the final answer of this question. Thank you.